In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to convert a routine to a goal. First, go to the Routines app. Now, select a routine that you want to turn into a goal. Let's check out Balance My Checkbook. Looks good. Okay, so click New Goal. Now, you can change the title if you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll keep it the same. Select a category you think this fits in. We'll put it in soft skills. Okay, that's all squared away. Click Next. Now add if you want this to be a repeating goal or one you have to complete by a certain date. We're going to make it a complete by, and we'll say we have to do it by tomorrow. You can also set a reminder before the goal, and we're going to set it for about an hour before the event. That should give us enough time. So click Next. Now, do you want it to be a basic completion, or is there something else you'd like to keep track of the goal with? We'll say basic completion. And set goal. And that's all you've got to do.